Hello, I am Abby Wiseman. I am in the Masters of Special Education program here at Millersville. I'm currently in my 6th year of teaching. I have a degree in elementary and special education through York College, and I'm teaching autistic support. I'd like to continue and finish my master's in special education. I should be done within the next 2 years and continue teaching in the autism support setting. And eventually, I'd like to become an instructional advisor for the special education programs through my district. Um, I originally came to Millersville for the school psychology program, but I wasn't quite ready to leave teaching yet, so that's something that I might go back to and possibly complete later on in my career. As far as hobbies, I'm kept busy by the dogs that I have at home. I have a blue heeler, Luna. I have a pit bull who's laying on her, Jax, and then I have a German short hair pointer named Cadence. In the other picture is my boyfriend Justin and his two boys. So we definitely have a busy house and we have lots of fun. As far as my experience with technology, I haven't had a lot of experience with technology in the classroom. As far as some of the newer things go, I was at one point in a district, the students were one-to-one in the high school with Mac computers. But my current experience, we have Chromebooks, which aren't always the most accessible items, but we do our best. And then we also have iPads. We just recently got a cart of iPads to use for classroom use. I do have students who use the iPad for communication. They use assistive technology in that manner through the LAMP program and through ProLoco to Go. Those are the apps that we use for communication. And the other situation as far as technology in my classroom, we do have a projector, but it's not mounted, and we still have a chalkboard. So there's no smartboard, there's not even a whiteboard, so hopefully that will be changing in the near future. And I did order a document camera so that I can project any images, but at this time it's on a pull-down screen, which isn't the most easy to use. But in any case, this is my experience with technology, and I'm looking forward to what we will be learning in the class.